folks, Maverick Indicators here. All right, so oftentimes we get questions where it's like, hey, can I use your indicators on stocks? Can I also use them? Because a lot of times you see us trading futures. Can I use your indicators on Forex, crypto, all that stuff? Here I am off the open, not really off the open, probably around 950, taking some options trades here. And what I'm doing is I'm on my TradingView charts to look at Tesla, a 5-minute chart, and using thinkorswim to trade options. And, I entered 5 contracts. And I have an A+ setup to the downside. How cool is it? So it doesn't matter if it's stocks or futures or Forex or whatever it is that you're trading, crypto. Some of you guys are killing it with crypto. This Maverick radar right here is serving up an A+ setup to the downside. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. My Maverick AI Pro is coloring the candles to the data, not to price and direction. So hot pink candle is your strongest downside candle. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. If you see bright green, it might just fly off your screen. If you see hot pink, it will most likely sink. That's what we like to say. Maverick guide, this blue line, if price is below the blue line, we like to go short. If price is above the blue line, we like to go long. So hot pink is your strongest downside candle. And how clear is this chart? Maverick trender pegged to the top. When this line is pegged to the top and it can't go any further, that is showing massive strength and momentum. Red to the downside, green to the upside, okay? And then all 5 traders are voting bearish across 6 time frames. Think of these as traders, these algorithms, and they all have a completely different style, and they're all voting bearish across 6 time frames. I mean, imagine being in a room with 5 other traders and they all have a completely different style and they're all agreeing which direction the market's going. And what the Maverick radar is doing is it's putting it all into a nice, neat little package down here. And it's saying, hey, do you have no setup, a B setup, because you want to know about the B setups, right? You want to know when something's about to happen, or you lose your A+ setup, and then an A+ setup. And right now we have been screaming down on an A+ setup to the downside, and we're up about $900. We're up over $1,000. Now it's retracing. Turn of the 5-minute candle, 10 o'clock. You guys know I sit on my hands the first minute and the last minute of a 5-minute candle. A lot of retracement, a lot of misdirection, a lot of stop loss grabbing, all that stuff. But this is beautiful. This is clear vision. This is where the market opened. Let me mark the market open. Okay, so this is where the market opened. And does that get any clearer? Price is below the blue line, hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Down confidence arrows, all 5 traders voting bearish across 6 time frames. Maverick trender pegged to the top. And even if you weren't paying attention to any of that, bears are in control, by the way, red background. Maverick radar is doing that entire checklist for you and giving you an A setup to the downside. How many times have you gotten into a trade, you think you see what you think you see, you get in, you get stopped out, and you look back and you say, what the heck was I even thinking? Let the Maverick radar be your eyes, right? Okay, let it be your eyes and serve up A+ setups. Again, this can look at, futures, stocks, crypto, anything you can chart on TradingView. This radar can do, and right now we're working on releasing it for NinJATRADER. We had a little hiccup on. For the most part, all our indicators work on NinJATRADER and TradingView. Again, if you're a member, please check out the forum. We put up an update on there for you guys for the radar for NinJATRADER. But if you want clear vision on your charts, this is clear vision. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. A+ setup to the downside. We're up, and we were up over $1,000, but I got a little distracted showing you guys how these indicators work. So if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, and we show you how to use these today, we did over $1,000 before 8 a.m. on a pretty simple trade there. Go back and watch that trade really early this morning, up over $1,000. And here we are showing you how you can trade options, or stocks rather, with the Maverick indicators, all right? Any questions, comments, concerns, please shoot us an email, support@maverickindicators.com. We have 7-day-a-week support. We would love to help you crush it. As usual, never financial advice. Do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.